I've heard of these like blackhead sucking machines, or like also just like to remove excess oils and sebum from your skin. But this one actually pairs up with your phone or maybe a tablet, whatever it is you want to pair the app up with, to be able to actually see it like live in action. So you pair this up to your phone. You can turn this on without having a actual setting on, just to view your skin and maybe like see exactly where you want to target. And then you would turn it on. So let me actually just like show it a little close up. Here's the box it comes with. You've got a few kind of size settings for the nozzle. My personal favorite is this kind of oval size. I find it's great for getting into crevices. You just like put it on there. Hold the button at the bottom, that would turn it on. It actually connects via Wi-Fi, so you would just, basically if you're setting up like a Wi-Fi connection, you'd pull it up, not Bluetooth. It says it gives it a stronger connection. There's actually lights within here, as you can see. That's what's really gonna light up your skin to be able to see that whole inside surface. And then here are your settings. Let's put this up to the microphone. You can hear that's level 1, level 2. So it does make a slight kind of humming noise throughout the different sizes. If it's your first time using it, just set it to that first level to make sure your skin can handle it. Basically, they recommend the level 1 if your skin's kind of like sensitive, level 2 for more dry skin, 3 for normal, 4 for oily, and then 5 for like combo skin. So that's kind of how they break it down. As far as actually using it, make sure that you're actually moving this right to left or left to right, that you're not just simply like suctioning it. If you just like leave it on there and like try to suction it that way, you'll probably end up bruising your skin. What you want to do is be actually like moving it, which is really going to kind of like wiggle that blackhead out of place and get it kind of right at the root.